Una, kaya,
ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay na maakit kumagawa.
First up, if you ask the crowd, come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, in full bueno on the TV screen. This is like the samba, coming into Manila with the green drum set. So shake it up and dance it like no more drama. You check it when it's Philippines, so without that, the world is solving, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, it's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, sea beaches of heaven.